This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn find and replace in Microsoft Word. So you can see that we have a Word document and we have a paragraph already added into it with on the topic of New York City. So you can see there are much valuable information about this city, and we want to find some words and then replace it with some appropriate or some more definite words. So how it is used and how it is done, let's see. Let's start. So first of all, we will click this button from the home tab. Right at the right corner, at the rightmost corner, you can see a telescope like icon and the word is written right over here, find. So you want to find the word, so you will click the find button like this, and over here I want to search the abbreviation of the New York City, which is NYC. So I will type NYC right over here in the find section and will press the enter key. So New York City, often simply called New York, is the most popular city. You can find here in this paragraph. Now I would like to replace it, this abbreviation right from the replace button. So I will. Now there are other shortcut keys are available for finding something. You can also type the Control F keys from your keyboard, and for replacing some text in the document you can always type Control H. It's a shortcut key for replacing the text in the document. So I will click the replace button, and here you can see that in the replace tab section I will replace it with nothing, because I don't want to see this. Since I don't want to see the parentheses, the brackets, the left and right brackets as well, so I will type nothing over here because I don't want to see all this. So I will click replace. So it is asking that word has reached the end of the document, the search item was not found. Do you want to, so we will find it like this way. We will go to the find section, and here we'll type the NYC with the closing and opening parentheses. So I will find it, but I finish searching the document. Now they have find the word NYC and replace it with nothing. So viewers, we have successfully made it, and now you cannot see the abbreviation NYC anywhere in the document. So we have succeeded. Likewise, I want to give you one more example. Like if I want to change the word right over here, the word is combined over here. So we will first search this word, and then we will change this into joint, because the combined has the synonym joint, which has the same meaning. So we are gonna change the word combined with the more appropriate word joint. So what we will do, we will first go to the click the find button right from over here, and then we will type combined. So viewers, you can see that the word combined has been highlighted just by typing the word combined in the navigation section for finding the document. So I've clicked it, so it has found the document. Now I want to replace it with the word join. So when I click the replace button, you can see that this dialog box has already selected the replace tab, and now I will replace it with the word joint, which is a synonym and having the same meaning like combined, but it's a more appropriate word I would like to add into my document. So I will click replace. So viewers, you can see that the word combined has been replaced with the word joint. And likewise, if I would like to edit the any word, you can change. Like here, if I see that home to the headquarters of the United Nations. New York is an important center. So I would like to change the word center into place. So I will again click the find button right from over here. I will type center like this. So and viewers, you can see that there are two center. The word center has been used at two different locations in the document. So I want to change the word center. So I actually want to change the word center right from over here. So I first change the spelling of this center, because I just need to change this center into place. So I will change the other spelling. It's a European spelling of the word center. So I will find it this center in the document, CENTRE. So you can now see that there is only one center selected in the document. Now I want to change this center into place. So I will click the replace button right from over here, and now I will replace it with place. So I will type place instead in the replace with section, and will press the replace button. Now viewers, you can see that the word center, CENTRE, this one has been changed into and replaced into the word place. So that's all, and thanks for watching. That's all about the find and replacing in Microsoft Word.